Okay, check out this fresh one. 2024 Honda Civic Sport Sedan. Sonic Gray Pearl. Only 1,800 miles. That's right, you didn't hear me wrong. It's 1,800 miles on this 2024 Honda Civic. Honda certified, goes through a 182-point inspection. We check it out from front to back, top to bottom, side to side. We make sure that everything's good. Obviously, with 1,800 miles, it's not going to need much, but we're going to change the oil, professionally detail it inside and out. Make sure that the brakes, the tires, the fluids, the filters, everything is up to Honda specification, so we can back it with a 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty, good at any Honda dealership in the United States. This is the best way to buy a certified pre-owned, in my opinion. With only 1,800 miles, it gives you the most warranty, the most bang for your buck. So come check it out today. Victory Honda of Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. We look forward to helping you out. As always, every one of our pre-owned vehicles come with 2 sets of keys, books, Carfax report, 6 oil changes. So 2 years worth of maintenance, basically. 6 oil changes, 6 tire rotations. Come check it out today, Victory Honda Plymouth. This one's not going to last long. Thanks.